Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a beautiful day right now, so we thought, why not play around with the old truck a little bit before we go in the shop. We got a fire going in the shop, and we're set up to work on the 47 rat rod. So I'll bring you guys with me, and we'll get started. So I'll get set up to work, guys. Today is going to be a good day. We are ready to start work. We just taped up so we don't go overboard with the wire brushing. And I can show you what we did on the other side. And I'll show you guys in the video what I've done. Basically, I bent a piece of plate and then I shrinked it so it gives me the round. But anyways, we'll get in details on that as we go. So I didn't want to go too far where I didn't work to do the brushing. So I'll try to do the same on the other side. Just brush what I need. And we'll get right into it. And then I got my helper today, Vincent. So it's like Swiss cheese. It's the same thing as the other side was. We had a piece here somewhere. This was the other side. So even putting the tape on, it kind of removes some of the paint. So we'll measure up a little piece like we did on this side, and then we'll bend it and we'll get into the shrinking. We'll make it fit over, and then we'll take a zip cut and we'll cut underneath our piece, like right here. And then once we get everything cleaned up, it'll go down about the same where the cut is, so it should work out pretty good. So guys, we got our part cut and bent, and I'll just make a quick look here at the truck, see what I figure that I need to do, make a couple markings, like okay, here just a little bit, then from here to here I want a sharper bend, so I'll just start giving it lightly in the stretcher or in the shrinker, and then we'll go from there and see what it does. So as you can see, I'm already working up around. So I'll just go test fit it on my truck, on the panel. So I'm pretty good here for a while, so I'll make another line. And we'll start going more from there. So this area, we'll give it another shot, and then we'll test fit and see until we got the part perfect. We have our part fitting pretty nicely. I'll give you guys. So it follows a contour here, pretty nice. Here we'll have a little bit of trimming to do, and we'll do that once we cut the other piece. So we'll line up the zip cut underneath, and we'll cut it up and replace it with some not Swiss cheese parts. We have this cab corner pack. It looks pretty nice. So we're getting to the welding. Won't video, guys. It'll be too long. So I'll weld all these up on the both sides, and I gotta add a little piece in here. So I'll get that finished, get that welded and buffed, and then I'll get back on you guys with something else. we're going to touch on another part of the truck. So we're just done the cab corners. The client kind of wants it ready, so we're going to leave some of the welds there. So we didn't go 100% buffing, we just cleaned it up a little bit. So it looks half decent, but it looks like it's been worked on. And that's what the client wants. So, looks fairly good. I'll go ahead and we'll flip the cab like it would sit on a truck. And then I'll start at the top here. Well, I'll flip it and show you guys after what needs to be done. And there's a bunch of stuff to do on the interior of the cab where the pillar is. So we kind of cheated a little bit. We got our parts ready. This goes on the outer cab, like the front cab corner, or I don't know how you call that, towards the pillar. It goes on this part right here. It was a bit of a challenge to get done because it kind of has a curve like this, and then it has a curve like this, and it's got somewhat of a recess in here. So it's a pretty fun part to build. I built this one and the other side, and then these are the parts that goes inside the pillar. So it goes inside the door. So I'll try a little something different tonight. I know it works with Mark all the time, so why not work with me, right? So Mark does the trick. I don't know how he does it. He does the trick and then it's done. So I'll try the trick tonight. I'm not sure how it's done though, so I think I got to get in the camera and kind of get on you guys, and then it should be ready. Well, what? It doesn't work. Yes, I have it right now. What? I think I'll have to call Mark and get back to you guys. I think I got it. Guys. Cab corner's done. And it works excellent because both sides are done, guys. Look at this. It's all patched up. I got my inners. Both sides are done. Pretty happy about that. So guys, this is it for today's episode. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for your support. As always, if you haven't, like, share, subscribe. You probably hear it all the time. Please do. It would help us quite a bit. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Till next time.